Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix connection failed in the finals error code TFLA0002. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing you should do in order to solve this problem is to go to your task manager by right clicking on this taskbar right here, then click on task manager. And here, after opening the task manager, all you can do while running the game is to search for the game here in task manager and click on it, then choose end task, or right click on the game, then click on end task. And by this way, you turn off the game. And after that, you can go back to your Steam library and try to reopen the game. And the second method is to open your browser, then search for Twitter or X. After signing in, all you have to do is to search for the finals page, then click on it and see if they have announced that there is an issue or something went wrong in the servers. So if you find that they have some issues in the servers, so maybe this will be the problem, and all you have to do is to just wait till they fix the issue. But now, if you're still facing the problem, you can jump into the third method. Sometimes you may have some internet issue, so all you have to do is to turn off your router, then unplug the cable and wait for a couple of minutes. After that, turn on your router, then plug the cable again and try to relaunch the game and see if the issue is fixed or not. You can also try another Wi-Fi network if you still have the problem, or change the place of the cable in your router. You can also do method number 4, is to go to the library and click on the finals, choose it, then right click on it and go to properties, then go to installed files and verify integrity of game files. And by this way, there will be a verification process to your files, so it also may help resolve this issue. If your problem doesn't resolve, you can press on the Windows button and X, then go to device manager and choose display adapters. Click on this arrow right here, then right click on your graphics card and click on update driver, and then go to search automatically for drivers, and it will search for the latest driver on the internet, and this also may fix the issue. Now, the second method is to go to your search bar and type cmd, right click on it and go to run as administrator, click on yes, and all you have to do is to type ipconfig /flush DNS, then click on enter, and by this way you will flush the DNS resolve cache. Then you can close the CMD and try to launch the game again from your Steam and see if the issue is fixed or not. You can also try to open a VPN and relaunch the game. This may also help, but if none of these methods work with you, the last solution is to uninstall the game, then reinstall it and launch it again. And you can do that by going to your Steam, then right click on the game and go to manage and click on uninstall, and after that install it again, then launch the game and see if the issue is fixed or not. And these were all the methods used to fix this issue. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.